DIY paper fillers. So we will cut the wire into two, the leaf, floral tape, and glue. So using the glue, we will put together the wire and the other template. So this is relatively easy. And to make sure that they are binded well, we will use a floral tape. Make sure to apply glue on the tip before you start wrapping it. So you need to wrap it all the way to the bottom. So it will secure the two templates, the two leaf together. You can use the tip of the brush to curl each leaves to give volume to your bouquet later. So that's it. This is a very easy paper leaf fillers. Thank you for watching.